Hi, my name is Zoe Whitlow, and this poem is called Why the Fuck Is There Sand Pouring Out of My Eyes? Do you ever feel like crying when there's a drought in your mind, a drought so dry it soaks up all the tears you needed to cry? And so you scream and grind your teeth and claw at your eyes, desperately searching for a way to get the water to rise. And though you're unable to pull any tears from your face, you continue clawing until blood fills its place. And then you may realize it wasn't the tears you were after, just something to make it feel like your suffering actually mattered. Because what's the point of anything when the world is all dried up and there's not a single drop of water left inside your cup? You may wonder how the world became so bare after it rained for weeks and weeks and weeks. And that's because the clouds had a devious plan in mind. They'd rain down all the water at once so there'd be none left for you to survive. And now here you find yourself, on your belly in the sand, drying up alone, wishing there was someone to hold your hand. But soon you'll have no hands at all, and no feet to walk on land. And the best is that you'll no longer have eyes that are only able to cry sand.